Hello friends, I'm Neha, your host, and I welcome you all to Rendezvous with Twin Flames. I hope you all are doing great and taking care of yourself. I would like to thank you for listening to my episodes and liking them. Friends, you all must be wondering what exactly is the purpose of the twin flame? Why would God even bring twin flame into someone's life? Well, this is the first thing that arises while the twin flames are overwhelmed with the kind of love they feel and perceive throughout their journey. This incredible question will always be on their mind over and over again till they get the substantial answer to it. They would anticipate the answer, and the apparent reason for it will shift every time they are progressing on their journey. Twin flames certainly have an objective, and that is why they are on this so called twin flame journey. Surprisingly, it's not God. It's they themselves who have decided before incarnating in this human body. It's a kind of contract between soul and the universe, and that is the reason they land here to learn lessons, to heal their past karmas, and grow spiritually. Twin flames will be enlightened with the most exotic realities about love, life, and people around them in its reasonable way in the form of twin flame love. They may find it real hard while on this journey, but every time it had made them learn something important which they might not have learned otherwise. Twin flame knowingly or unknowingly serves their purpose and transforms each other into a different person altogether. Their journey may start like a fairy tale love, but it would soon turn into an unconventional bond. They have to go through all the hardships to learn unconditional love, gain more wisdom, and eventually they are pushed to their spiritual journey. Last but not the least, twin flames make you realize the credible power of self-love, gratitude, and forgiveness, and it will constantly contribute to their personal, emotional, and spiritual growth. Like I always say, these are my views, and it would be my pleasure if you also resonate with it. With this, I would like to end today's episode. Hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you so much for listening.